a box plot and a 5-number summary using our ti84 calculators. I'm using the ti84 emulator called Graphing Calc on an iPad. I'm going to start by going to Stat, so press the Stat button. Now, some of these keystrokes will be slightly different if you use the calculator as opposed to the iPad version. But we're going to go to Edit, so you can scroll down or press on number 1. You put the data in here. I've already inserted the data that we're going to use today. So we have 5 values, 2, 6, 8, 12, and 16. So my data is in the calculator. A couple things we could do: go back to Stats, go over to Calculate, and we'll do one var stats. In this case, we'd like to do L1. That's all we need. The frequency is 1, so press Enter. The display is a little bit different on the ti84 calculator. You have to scroll down to see all the information. Here we can see at the bottom of the left column we have an N of 5, so we have 5 pieces of data. Our min value is 2, quartile 1 is 4, the median is 8, quartile 3 is 14, and the max value for the x's is 16. So that really comprises the right column is our 5-number summary, which we'll use to make the box plot. If we want to draw the box plot, we will go to the Stat Plot menu, which is in the upper left corner. So we're going to press second and y equals. Now your screen on the calculator itself is going to look a little different than this as well. We're going to go to the first option. And I'm going to scroll up just a bit to get the box plot with outliers. And for some reason on this, you can never see the x list and frequency, but the x list is L1, the frequency is 1. So in your calculators, you'll scroll down. So we have an x list of 1, a frequency of 1. The next thing, the difference is on your ti84, you'll have a zoom button up at the top middle. You'll press zoom and 9 for a zoom stat. We don't have that, so we're just going to press zoom, not zoom, graph. And then we can scroll over. Oh, man. Let's get rid of that. So there is my box and whisker plot. Now with the iPad or with this the iOS version of this calculator, you can just pinch and pull and drag. You'd have to use the zoom or window features on the calculator itself. And then here you can also just touch the screen. On the calculator, you press the trace button in the upper right corner, and that will allow you to scroll left and right to hit the 5 pieces. But there's our minimum. Quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and the max value. And you see there are no outliers in this data set. Well, there's our brief overview of the box plot on a ti84.